When the pandemic started, we immediately started to strictly separate functional areas within the company. And on the other hand, our internal stocks of raw materials and also consumables have been immediately increased. And at that time, we were forced to order on a very short notice for sometimes extremely excessive prices. Especially at the beginning of the pandemic, shipments to customers were sent out earlier if possible to meet delivery deadlines despite of the possible transportation delays.
We started early to proactively increase our product stock quantity and anticipated increased product demand of our customers.
After the separation of critical teams within the departments, and especially the division of the shift teams within the production department, processes were digitalized on a short notice and more staff was hired to ensure the supply chain.
For the future, we will maintain our increased stock of quantities of raw materials, consumables, as well as our final product.
We heard from suppliers about the limited availability of almost all and mostly unexpected raw materials and consumables, together with limited availability of contact persons on suppliers' end. Customers were really satisfied with our ability to maintain our short lead times, and that customer support was available as usual.
Despite the fact that most of our colleagues switched to home office, which was a completely new situation at the time, the coordination went really well. The communication with our logistics providers was increased to be able to transport all our goods to the recipients safely. The flexibility of our team members helped a lot during that time.
The main challenge was the procurement of raw materials and consumables and the availability of internal as well as external production capacities. Also, especially at the beginning of the pandemic, it was really challenging to keep track of daily developments and plan accordingly.
Without any announcement, negotiations or comments, we received the biggest order in the company history so far via fax.
We successfully received a raw material that was needed for our internal production just in time, while the preparation for the media has already been started.
The customer originally wanted to receive an order in April 2020. In the middle of March, it was announced that the borders of the country where the customer is located in were closing. So since we didn't really know what this would mean for the logistics, we set up the shipment in a really fast manner. And finally, the shipment was received intact and even before the desired delivery date.